You know, it may be overcast, it may be dreary, it may be a bit drizzly every now and then. There's always time for a barbie. Oh, yeah. Absolutely. Would I give up some dry weather for having no barbie? Absolutely not. Don't be silly. I've even got the shorts on and everything. So, what have we got today for you? Got a real treat. This is chicken tikka steaks, peri-peri chicken, Greek-inspired kebabs, leek wild tuna, corn on the cob, and shrooms. So, with that in mind, Mrs. Marsden is currently residing in the house, doing a bit of a G&T type thing. Meanwhile, I'm looking after the baby. It had a little bit of a downpour earlier on today, but it's not been too bad. Ben's in there at the moment, doing his fortnight, doing his maps, and if we listen very, very closely, Holly's doing her violin. She's doing a sessions live. In fact, if we go over here, you can hear that. So, we're just residing in the Marsden, listening to Holly in the background. Watching the fire pit from beyond, ready for a little barbecue. And there's Teasmeister. There's his blankie. Let's settle down, get comfy. And we'll settle down and get comfy as well with just a little tiny barbecue.
Hello. So we have the barbecue lit and it's starting to spit again. Hey! That's what it's been doing all day and all week. So I just said, let's just leave it. Let's just see who's the strongest, fire or water. So we'll see what happens with the barbecue. It's only a few spits, I think it'll stop again in a sec. We keep shuffling all our chairs back underneath and back out again and then back underneath and then, oh, that looks cool. In fact, we could just stay under there. It's really cozy. In fact, later on we get the fire. This is the fire pit. We get the heater
Fire
on.
starter.
Because I was talking about fire. When we get the heater on, we'll mosey on to the back because it keeps all the heat in. It's lovely. But we've got our blankets on. Who says you can't be warm in May in England? A few blankets. That's all you need. And who says that gin can't be healthy? Look at all the fruit in there.
All the fruit in there, it's like a fruit salad.
There's had a bit of fruit. Ben's over here.
I'm gonna go back inside.
Mr. Moody.
It's free now.
So Ben
Freezing.
Freezing.
Oh, I'm bored.
putting his shelter over his head. Holly's in the bar in the office doing sessions live on a violin and doing really well. So when she's finished that, oh, there's a little fairy thing. Can you see? Sorry. I'm trying to catch them. So yeah, we'll catch up with you in a bit. We'll see who wins the fight over the fire and water. It's raining again. What is it? About 4 minutes later since I was vlogging, and it's raining. So we're back inside. Thank goodness for room.
It looks like art on the floor there. Just show it.
Art.
Yeah. No. Not see. Oh, see these art.
Well, I can't really see it.
The rain.
Yes, the rain looks like art
It does.
from the heavens above. And we have Dad over there sorting out the food.
While Dad's getting showered on by
He
God.
doesn't mind.
God's just taking a little shower.
Yeah, we've got all the food going off there. It's only a tiny little drizzle. It's going to stop again in a sec. I think Holly's about finished with her violin playing. So we shall sit in here for now. In fact, we'll just stay in here because we're going to put the heater on soon and we'll get all cooked.
I might go inside now.
See you later, Ben.
Bye bye.
Ben's off. Bye. Oh, Ben's off inside actually because somebody's playing his map
Yeah.
again. His map from Fortnite, so he's going to go and join them. Me and Dad are both vlogging to see which camera actually picks the sun up the best.
Look at that.
Yeah, Dad zoomed in. He said, I don't have to zoom in, Dad.
I'm not zoomed in. Haha,
Yeah,
I
but
win.
you don't need to because it's got automatic zoom. This probably needs to zoom in because it's got more features. Haha. So, just... how do you zoom in? Zoom in, Dan.
I know how to zoom in.
Right, I'm going to try zoom in.
Hey, well done, Mum.
Hey. We'll zoom into the sun.
Yesterday,
Wow.
Mum just all of a sudden went, the
That,
sun's quite hot, you know.
that could actually look like the moon. That's the sun. We have the sun in the sky. Welcome to our garden. Please stick around.
Yeah.